So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up the Gboard, also known as the Google Keyboard, on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening the Google Play Store. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in Gboard. Then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so select it and tap on install and wait for the keyboard to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the Gboard has been installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen and look for the app from there and tap on it to launch it from there. Next, you need to go through the setup process. So this includes enabling it in settings. So you can just tap on enable in settings, and then just tap on the toggle next to Gboard to turn it on, confirm your choice. And once it's been enabled, you can go back and select it as your input method. So this involves you switching the default keyboard from the Samsung keyboard to the Gboard. So just tap on it like that, select Gboard, and tap on done to finish your setup. So now, whenever you try to bring up the keyboard, you'll notice you've switched from the Samsung keyboard to the Gboard on your A56. And so that's how you can install and set up the Google Keyboard on your Galaxy A56. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.